My research into European marine litter from 2017 to 2021 revealed some surprising findings. Here, as you can see, all countries contribute to marine litter differently, and the average beach retention, in other words, litter that stays on land, slightly decreased. In 2017, it was 73%, in 2021, 71%, which is a bad trend since more waste is entering oceans. Interestingly, the amount of litter a country generates has almost no relationship with how well they manage it, which is shown over here. I invite you to take a look at these contrasts. Iceland, for example, keeps only 37% of litter on beaches, which is the worst retention in Europe, yet it poses minimal ocean risk, as we can see here. The Netherlands, on the other hand, retains 77% on beaches, but still dumps 2,000 tons annually into the ocean, which is a critical risk level. Most European countries are getting worse, generating more litter and keeping less on land, even though they pose minimal or low ocean risk. However, Romania, Bulgaria, and Portugal are a rare success story, cutting their ocean pollution despite moderate beach retention. The key insight? Every country needs a unique strategy. Geographic and political factors matter more than total waste volume. With plastics dominating marine litter and even Europe's small mismanagement rate less than 10%, causing significant pollution, tailored local solutions are urgent.